a budgeting game from Personal Finance Lab. The average game time is 30 minutes. The aim of the game is to look after your money, increase your savings, and avoid your cash crunch. Duration of play is for 12 virtual months. Throughout the game, you will build up your credit score and savings while trying to navigate your cash flow and objectives. To get started, you will need to sign up and choose an avatar that best suits you when prompted. You are a student navigating college life. Your objective is to increase your net worth, savings, and credit score. At the start of each month, a monthly expenses screen will show you your fixed expenses for that month. You will need to calculate your total fixed expenses for that particular month and submit them. If your answer is incorrect, you will lose $10. Once you have submitted your fixed expenses total, an income screen will pop up. This will tell you what your earnings for the month will be. Your hours and tips will vary from week to week, and tax will be withheld. You will need to calculate your total income for that month and submit the missing total. If your answer is incorrect, you will lose $10. You should pay close attention to your totals for both income and expenses for the month so that you know what money is left for you to spend. You will start the game with $300 in your checking account and $700 in your savings account. Your net worth will reflect your combined funds in your checking and savings account minus your credit card debt. To start the round, simply click on the flashing dice and you will move through the calendar month. Throughout the game, Oh Boy cards will appear in the form of income, expense, decision making, and multiple choice. These cards will have an effect on your net worth depending on the choices you make or situations you have to deal with. On your calendar, you can click on the green or red boxes on the various days during the month to remind yourself of those particular transactions. Receiving an Oh Boy card will result in you receiving money or having to pay money. You will have the choice to pay using your debit card or credit card. When using your debit card, money will immediately be deducted from your checking account. If you pay by credit card, it will be added to your credit card statement, and payment of your credit card must be completed by the 26th of each month. Not doing so will incur late payment fees and interest. Your credit score will also be negatively affected and will have an effect on your final score. You can check your credit card statement at any time. Your credit score is displayed in a number of places throughout the game. When using your credit card, any transactions will automatically be updated in your credit card statement. Your payment history will also be reflected in your credit score. The maximum credit score is 850. There is also a What Would You Like to Do card that pops up with some frequency. This allows you to choose whether you would like to earn more money, study, socialize, or do household errands. Each category must be chosen at least once during the game. Throughout the game, there will be opportunities to earn more money. These are in the form of two games, Cash Crunch Cafe and Doubling Up. Both will appear randomly. The faster you work, the more you will earn. You may want to save some of this money on a regular basis. There are a number of financial instruments that will allow you to monitor your performance. Keep checking the financial overview for current and historical data. At the end of each week and month, a summary of your transactions and activity are displayed. Your weekly and monthly summary will give you a good idea of your current financial health. There will be times when you want to move money from or to your savings account to bolster your savings, pay bills, and earn medals. You can do this by moving the slider left or right. As well as increasing your net worth and credit score, your main objective is to reach Platinum Medal status. Your medal is based solely on your current level of savings. Your aim is to be awarded a Platinum Medal, which can only be kept if the level of savings is maintained. You will see a percentage next to your current medal level. This shows you how close you are to completing that level. You will also have a scoreboard that will reflect your play and financial health. Your score is based on a number of calculations. The percentage of savings to disposable income, the number of multiple choice questions that were answered correctly, whether all 4 tasks were completed, credit score, which is based on paying bills on time. If you participate in any of the competitions, you will see your ranking at the end of every round. If at any time you exit the game, the data from all completed rounds will be saved. Definitions of any of the vocabulary mentioned in the game can be found in the glossary under the Ask Brian button. For more information, curriculum, and activities, visit www.personalfinancelab.com.